everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to take that Greek-inspired Cobb salad and we're going to turn it into a sandwich. Let's go see how this all comes together. Alright, today we're going to take this delicious Greek-inspired Cobb salad. We're going to turn it into something else. After you get your salad eaten for dinner, you're definitely going to have leftovers if you're a family of 4, like we are. So what you're going to do is just put this in an airtight container and stick it in the fridge. But, you know, the salad is probably going to not be as fresh and crisp as the day you first made it. So if you stuff it into a flatbread or a pita, you have another opportunity to have a great meal. So I've gone ahead and I made some of those no yeast flatbreads. I made them in a video with gluten-free flour, and I made them gluten-free in that video for you. But these are made with regular all-purpose flour and some yogurt and baking powder and salt, and that's it. These are super easy to make. If you make a half a batch, you're going to get 8 of them all at once. And I think that it would be great just made into like a Greek-style taco. We're just going to go for it. So I think we're going to take some of this chicken, and why not? There's a tomato all ready to go there. How about a couple of olives, some cucumber, some of these roasted red pepper strips, an artichoke heart or 2. How about a pepperoncini? And these are still warm. My flatbreads are still warm. They just came off the griddle. And then you can just top that off with some onions and a drizzle of the creamy cucumber dressing. Or you can, if you make this dressing with the sour cream instead of the yogurt and make it like a dip, it's going to be more like tzatziki, and that's a beautiful thing. So there you go. You can even top this off with a little more feta. Well, there you have it. Our pita slash flatbread Greek style Cobb salad sandwich is all ready to go. This would be perfect for a quick and light weeknight meal. You'll already have all the ingredients ready to go because you had the salad earlier in the week. And if you prep all your ingredients and keep them in separate containers, then you won't have to worry about everything going soggy. So that's entirely up to you. I know that that's probably not possible for everyone, but you need to do what works for you. Stuff it into these flatbreads, which you can make in about 20 minutes if you make a small batch, and everyone is going to be really happy. These flatbreads are also great if you make them to eat alongside that salad, and everyone in my house loves them. They don't last the day if I make a batch, so that's another option for you. If you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my kitchen and you wandered on over to see what was going on, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or a message in your email box every time we upload a new video. Because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give these Greek Cobb salad flatbread sandwiches a try sometime soon, and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.